Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crop and resize the video in the VideoLeap. Cropping and resizing videos are essential editing techniques used to remove the unwanted parts, focus on the main subject, or adjust the video to fit different platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or the YouTube. VideoLeap makes it easy to crop and resize videos while maintaining control over aspect ratio and framing, helping you create polished, professional looking content. So first what you can do is launch your app on your device. And you can simply select a new project, or you can go to the draft here and import your video you want to edit on the timeline over here. And from the bottom menu, what you can do is you can select to your clip here and select to this uncrop on the bottom. Here you can select to the prompt. Here you can select any of the fill frame, and in order to resize the video, pinch to zoom in or out to resize the frame from the timeline as well. And that is it. You can play the video and make sure the framing looks good and nothing important is cut off. And thank you for watching this video. Cropping and resizing the VideoLeap is a simple way to improve framing, remove distractions, and adjust your video for the different platforms. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.